Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. Today, guys, I have this Imperial TV and this is the latest edition. And of course, this is a 32-inch TV from Imperial. Alright, so today will be the unboxing. Alright, so let's get straight into it. Now, of course, this is the Imperial brand, as you can see the brand here. And it says here that where quality meets perfection. That's the Imperial logo. And of course, this comes with Google TV, meaning it will have the Google TV operating system. That's essentially Android. This is a QLED TV. It comes with two remotes. That's one of the good things. And of course, it's high resolution. It has a Chromecast built in. It has Bluetooth, HDMI, USB, and of course, it comes with virus protection, right? And a Google is built in. Of course, as we said, it's a smart TV. It comes with Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and you'll find that you have one USB port. There's two HDMI ports, and there's a audio video input or AV input. You'll get one set of those. And of course, the TV itself is a cool one that you can pick up in the markets that this is sold. And of course, the front of the box is the same thing on the back. And of course, the side has some product information. So we're gonna open this up. Once I open it up, I'm gonna show you what's inside. So of course, let's go ahead. So I have my handy knife here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open the box. And of course, if you like these type of reviews, please give us a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe. Your feedback is always welcome. And if you're in the market for one of these new affordable TVs, this is one of the ones that will be worth the price. Alright, so here we go. So inside you do get the 2 feet, and of course these are stands that will be used as the base. You get 2 of those. Wrapped securely with hard foam. We'll put this aside. And inside you'll find the accessories. So here we have the accessories. So inside of the box here, the whole thing that comes with it. There's the promised 2 remotes. And of course you can check these out. So let's check out one of these. So this is the remote itself. And you can see it's brand new. There's a large sensor, so you'll pick up easily. There's the battery compartment here, and of course 2 batteries loaded in. It's a slide on cover, so it's easy to slide on. Just push down, should come off. Alright, so this is the Imperial remote, and of course it's a very classic design. You can see the newer type design remotes that comes with the direction pads, the voice command, there's Netflix, YouTube, and everything in one touch. And of course, these are the modern designs. Alright, so I'm gonna put this aside here. You do get this 4-card standard, the breakout cable for your AV with all 3 inputs, which is red, yellow, and white. You get an additional battery, so 2 sets of batteries for each remote. And guys, you have the manual here for the Imperial, and of course it simply runs you through the information pertaining to the operation of the device or instruction. So of course everything will run you through general setup, but of course if you have ever set up a TV, it should be easy. You can put that aside as well. Alright, so that's it for that. So I'm going to remove the TV. Alright, so I'm gonna put this box to the side. Alright, so it comes wrapped in protective foam. This gets is removed easily. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna put this stuff aside, and then I'm gonna remove this, and I'll come back. Alright guys, so we have the back of the TV, and you can attach the power cable to this side here. And of course, if you check out over here, we have the inputs. So you have your standard input, which is the for your antenna. We have the breakout cable, which is this one that will go here for your inputs that will work with the audio video input if your device supports that. We have two HDMI ports here, as you can see, and nice, there's a physical Ethernet port for internet or networking. There's a USB port, and of course there's a headphone jack here. All right, so if we turn to the front of the device. Alright guys, so this is the TV. This is the front of the TV. It does come with the Imperial stickers and so on. And of course the safety, all kind of stickers on the front. You can remove these at a later time. And of course we're going to turn this on. And right away, see there is a LED right here, and that LED shows when it's powered on. And you can see the Imperial information here and the Imperial logo. Alright, so as you can see, it's Google TV. So if you're familiar with the Google operating system, which is basically Android, it should be similar throughout all your devices. Alright, so there you go. Alright, so as you can see here, this is the interface, and I have the remote right here for the Imperial. And as you can see, we have the home screen. The interface is quite responsive. You have access to your settings. You can log in and do all of the things that you would normally do. So of course, this is the Imperial customized version of the operating system, and you have all of the features. Alright, so this was the unboxing. Do follow up for other videos that will look at the features, and you can check out and see as to tutorials involving this TV set and what you can do to learn its operation and how to go about customizing. Alright, so this is Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips. Now let's take a quick tip showing you the unboxing of the Imperial TV. Ricardo saying bye until next time. Bye.